Vlogmas day 12. Not much going on today, just shooting content for Instagram, which you guys should follow, by the way. We're here at the park taking pictures of outfits that I've had planned. I have neglected my Instagram a lot these past couple of months, so we're just shooting some pictures for the IG. I'm not gonna show them on here because I want you guys to check out the Instagram and check out the outfits. So sorry guys, this is a little sneak peek, I guess, what I'm wearing right now. After this, we're gonna have dinner. Welcome to today's Vlogmas video. I believe this will be number 12. So after the 11th episode, I have not been uploading on a daily basis. I got behind on schedule because of personal reasons. So I don't want to give up on Vlogmas. That's not what I want to do, but I think I'm going to film weekly vlogs. I find that if I condense my entire week into a video, I feel like it's worth it to watch. I don't know about you guys, but I personally like longer vlog videos. I personally like watching long vlogs, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Because I've fallen behind schedule, I think it's a lot easier if I just upload maybe weekly or twice a week. I'm not sure yet on the schedule, and I do apologize for that because I don't have a set schedule. I just wanted to give you guys an update as to what's been going on. I'm still here. I am going to continue with Vlogmas, just not every day, and I hope you guys stick around and watch those vlogs. I do have more things planned in the upcoming days. It's just that lately we've been staying at home a lot because Jamil was going to school, and yeah, most of the plans are during his winter breaks. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.